Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Smith and I work in conjunction with health-rewards.co.uk. So I do periscopes for them every Wednesday at 12 o'clock. Health-rewards.co.uk is a brilliant company. They reward people for being healthy, for eating healthy, and for looking after them. And that's where I come in. On a Tuesday and Thursday, Nathan does periscopes about how you can exercise and work with your body. I do how you cope with your mind-body connection. So my name is Andrea Smith, and my business is called hypnotherapyinsurrey.com. So I help with how mind and body, you get it ready for losing weight, feeling healthy, looking healthy, eating right, doing the right kind of exercise. And Gabby does periscopes for health-rewards.co.uk as well. And she does on what you can eat, what you can't eat, what is good for you, what's not. So I'm going to start by talking about preparing and, what you can do with your mind. So sometimes preparing your mind, you think, just before that, sorry, everybody just come down here and share it with your Twitter followers. Please invite your Twitter followers to view this. So please come down here, share it. You would really like this short periscope. It's important for us to keep our mind and body healthy, and that's where I come in at hypnotherapyinsurrey.com. So you just think about it's not as bad as you think, or this anxiety, Hi Erin, thank you so much for joining. Like I said, come down here and invite your Twitter followers to join me and, share it on Twitter. So this anxiety attack, do you think it's not going to last long? Can you cope with it? Or you just think, oh, I'm going to get better. I'll feel better tomorrow. I'll be able to rebuild my confidence. Or you think about this anxiety attack as in, if I don't get bad feelings, it won't last long and I can cope with them. So it's better to not worry about it, as it doesn't help. So what I'd like to teach you today is coping strategies. So how do you cope with anxiety? So first you concentrate on what's going on with you. Why, count 1 to 10. Just think, why? What's happening with me? Why am I worrying about certain things? So you think, oh, I can't tolerate this anxiety attack. I've managed it many times before, so I'm going to try and manage it again. Remember to relax. Remember to think positive. Okay? Or you just say to yourself, it's just anxiety. It's an unpleasant feeling, but I've never been ill before. So you concentrate on what things you have to do about you. Try and relax, try and breathe. So, and the positive statement will be, I know I'm going to be okay. Okay? If the feelings are quite unpleasant but they're not harmful and dangerous, they just feel they're overwhelming you. You just go, I'm going to take each day one step at a time, and I'm not going to, and these feelings will pass. That's why. So try and do all of these things. What else I'd like you to do is I'd like you to praise yourself. I'd like you to think, I feel pleased with the progress I'm making. I've achieved that better than I think. I did well. If I keep going, I feel really comfortable, and I will keep going, and I'll be able to cope with this. So like I said, today I'm going to teach you a slightly different relaxation technique that I've taught before. So please come down here and click in and share this with your Twitter followers. I'd really appreciate it. So I'm Andrea Smith, and I work in conjunction with health-rewards.co.uk. I help people with their mind and body connection. So what happens when you have an anxiety attack or you're stressed? When you're stressed, your muscles of your body tense up really badly, especially your shoulder muscles. The muscular tension causes this uncomfortable body feeling, such as headache, a backache, or a tight chest, and so on. Okay? You start to breathe heavier, you start to hyperventilate, you start to feel really as if things are going to overwhelm you. There's aches and pains, there's tension. This can cause mental worry and makes us even more anxious and tense than before. So, people who are tense often feel really tired. they just feel exhausted. They have to go to bed in the middle of the day. Relaxing slows down all of your systems. And because your body speeds up when it gets anxious, obviously. So if we learn to turn on these bodily symptoms of relaxation, we can turn off the symptoms of tension. Robert, Seven Saunders, thank you for joining me. Like I said, come down here, click on here and share with your Twitter followers. Thanks, Robert. So there's two sides of the same coin. You can experience a feeling of relaxation and tension at the same time. Now, relaxation is a skill. It's not always something that comes to people naturally. It's a skill that has to be learned like playing the piano and practiced and put into practice whenever you feel anxious. Not like, oh, I've practiced it, that's fine. I feel anxious today and I'm not going to do anything about it. Actually, no, that's not true. So the following exercises are designed that I'm going to teach you to do a progressive muscle relaxation. It doesn't have to be long. It has to be 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. And you can also obtain tapes of these instructions a lot on YouTube. I've got one free on my website, like I said. So, you're quite happy to go on to it and download it. So please, first and foremost, try to decide in advance which part of the day you're going to do this relaxation. Are you going to do it in the morning before, or at lunchtime, or in the evening after work? So when are you going to do this? And it's a routine you need to stick to. So make time for yourself. Like I said, it needs to be only 7 to 10 minutes long. Make sure that you choose somewhere quiet. That's quite important, because if you're choosing like a busy, crowded street in your lunch break and you're sitting outside, that's not much fun at all. So make sure that nobody disturbs you during this practice. Do not exercise when you're hungry or when you've just eaten or when the room's too hot or too chilly. It doesn't work because your body's uncomfortable. So try and adopt a very passive attitude. It is, don't worry about your performance. Don't worry about what you're going to do. Just have a go at it. Just take it easy. Just relax. Try and breathe through your nose. And then using your stomach muscles, breathe out. Just breathe slowly and regularly. It's important for you to do this, as deep breaths can, make you feel dizzy or faint, or even makes your tension worse. So just breathe through your nose and breathe out slowly. Just really breathe out slowly. If you're breathing properly through this exercise, you'll feel better and healthier. So relaxation every day. Why is it important? What does it do? It stops you from rushing around a lot. You achieve more by doing things calmly. Robert, thank you so much for sharing this on Twitter. Like I said, come down here, everybody, and please share this on Twitter. Give yourself short breaks. Relax, stretch, go for a walk. You could do this at lunchtime. Just breathe, relax, calmly, listen to some relaxation music, and go for a walk. Then adopt a relaxing posture. Deliberately relax. Notice when your muscles are tensing up. Drop your shoulders down, sit back on the chair, and unclench your fists. Okay? Inject some pleasure and treats into your daily routine. So like I said, it's important for you to do this daily. It's important for you to do this on a regular basis so that you're relaxed, you're calm, and that makes you think clearly and be more productive. Okay? Now, this exercise involves tightening and relaxation of different muscle groups in your body. So one at a time. So you tighten your muscle, it becomes hard, and then you tighten around the bone and you loosen it. And this sensation leads to a warm heaviness. So either you can sit down or relax in a comfortable position while you're doing it. Like I said, set aside like 7 to 10 minutes. There's no interruptions, no distractions. Relax yourself to the best of your ability. Consider the various muscle groups one at a time. Okay? And try and concentrate. So when you breathe out, I need you to concentrate on that out breath. So let's start with your arms and your wrists. Okay? Just your hands and your arms. So clench and relax. Feel that tension when you clench. Hold it for 5 minutes, then release. And release each muscle group for at least 10 to 15 seconds. See how far they go. Do not push. Hold them and then just let them go. Feel how your body just lets go. Now hunch your shoulders and then gradually let it go. Proceed down and down and down. Pull your eyebrows together and then gradually let your forehead smooth out. Just let go. So again, screw your eyes tightly shut and then slowly, gradually smoothen them out, leaving your eyes, but when you tighten them up, leave your eyes closed for a couple of minutes and then slowly, gradually let them feel heavy and let them go. Release them. Bite your teeth together and gradually release your jaw and release them and let go. And this way you're progressively relaxing every muscle, every pore in your body. Just letting go. At the back of your neck, put your chin forward into your chest. Feel that tightness there. And then relax and let go. That's right. Just breathe in and focus on your outward when you're doing that. That's right. Just slowly let yourself grow and breathe out at every time. Pull your tummy tight and gradually let go, feeling yourself relax. Push your heels down hard against the floor. Feel the tightness in your thighs and gradually let go. Point your toes and gradually let that tightness go as well. And slowly try this again and again and try it again like I suggested in your arms and your hands, then your shoulders, then your forehead, then your eyes, then your jaw, then the back of your neck, then the front of your neck. Then breathe slowly and let go at every point, your tummy, your thighs, your calves. And do that slowly and slowly. Like I said, you can do that by lying down or by sitting. That's why. And feel yourself getting heavier at every time. Feel yourself relax. Feel yourself let go. In such a way, while you're doing this, in such a way you're relaxing every muscle group. And like I said, it just has to take 5 to 7 minutes. It doesn't have to take longer than that. And you could do it in your lunch break, do it in your just tiny break that you take in the middle of the day and in the evenings, and feel yourself. So what you're doing is you're not keeping your body tense all the time. That's really bad for health. By doing so, you raise your blood pressure, you raise your heart rate, you raise your, everything gets up, and then you feel that this is not good for you. And just doing this relaxation long term is more healthier, and you feel really good about yourself. So try these few techniques that I've taught you. Like I said, just breathe in and out, let go. Then try it with your arms and your hands. Then try it with your forehead. Try it with your eyes. Try it with your jawline. Try it with the front shoulders. Try it with the back of your neck, the front of your neck, your tummy, your thighs, your calves, the tips of your toes. Exactly. And just slowly let go and relax. Feel that by doing so, you're just using this, having some time out during the middle of the day. And it's important to have that time out. I have a lot of times out in the middle of the day, between clients, between seeing people, between doing things. So this time out helps me to relax. And then when I come back to doing some work, I'm focused, I'm driven, and I'm much more there, present. And my mind's working better. I'm more, alive, feeling good about myself, feeling more confident that I've taken the time out to just get myself to where I wish to be. And like I said, health-rewards.co.uk that I work for, help people and reward people for being healthy. And when they reward for being healthy, that means that being healthy, eating right, exercising, and working with your mind and body connection really helps you to get you to the place where you want to be and where, life works for you better in the long term. So try all of these techniques. My name is Andrea Smith. I work in conjunction with health-rewards.co.uk. I work with Nathan Haig and Gabriella Maston. So we all work together to bring all these tips and techniques for free to you so that you can use them. Please come down here, like I said again, and share these tips and techniques. Share it on Twitter, because it's important for you to just share this on Twitter, for Twitter, all your Twitter followers to see what you're watching every lunchtime on a Wednesday. And Nathan does it, I said, on a Tuesday and Thursday at lunchtime as well. And Gabriella does it at lunchtime as well. So it's just different tips and techniques that are free, that are easy to use, and incorporate into everyday life. So you'll be able to use this and feel healthier. Feel that you're working on yourself and you're doing things that are important to you for your health and your body and your mind. And by doing so, you'll be able to look after yourself a bit better. So, again, my name is Andrea Smith. I work in conjunction with health-rewards.co.uk. My business is called hypnotherapyinssurrey.com. And please, Google me, try and Skype me. Ask me any questions you wish. So, and just try and do this relaxation technique. Let me know how it worked out for you. Tweet me. Let me know how it worked out. So, thank you for watching. And I'm so glad you watch every week on a Wednesday at lunchtime. And look after yourselves. And I'll speak to you again next Wednesday. Bye for now.